Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch SE 2nd generation, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch if there is screen lock protection enabled on it. Before we start, if you want to use this method of factory reset, it only works if you have the screen lock protection enabled on your watch. Okay, let's continue with the reset. First thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold the side button. And when you see this menu on the screen, press and hold the crown button. You should see this pop up, or rather this message on the screen. It says connect to a power source. So basically you need to take a charger and plug in your watch into a charger. So we need to place our watch on a charger, and once you place it on a charger, you will see this on the screen. And basically we can continue by tapping on reset and then tapping on reset again to confirm and start the resetting process. So let's tap on reset, and now let's wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see this on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.